Hi guys, it's Thomas here from COTBASE.com. Welcome to this unique and special video where I'm going to be introducing you to a revolutionary indicator, a hedge fund level indicator, once again from our dear friends at Algorion, the Periodis Pro indicator. Guys, this is truly an amazing indicator. It's so complex and so sophisticated that it requires two separate parts. In this first part, I'll be talking to you, trying to introduce you to this tool, how you can use it. We are fortunate enough here at COTBASE.com to be the very first to use and to show you this indicator. And as always, you are going to be the first to get a special and unique offer on it. It's such an amazing tool and truly valuable that they're limiting the access to only 100 licenses. Okay, so you got to be fast. Licenses are gonna be in great demand, and yeah, this is truly an amazing indicator. So part one, I'll be talking about this indicator, showing a couple of examples. Part two, the architect of this indicator will be talking about how they've develop this indicator, the origin, how it works, and go into a more detailed explanation on how it works. Guys, this is really, truly an amazing indicator. It's, I'd say the most unique part, and I'll show you in just a minute, is that it's self-constructing capabilities. Okay, and I'm hopping over here because I found that in Algorion, this section over here really speaks to its depth and value. So I would say that these words are the most important part. So there's no parameters or anything like that. The market dictates how these lines, and you're going to see the lines in a second. Let's just put those lines on the chart right away. This is the NASDAQ Mini, Periodis Pro. So the lines that you see over here, and of course I can scale out, these lines are constructed by the market itself. Okay, that's the unique part of it. Okay, and I think those who have some experience will see right away how well these lines actually guard and brace the market. And the reason it's called Periodis Pro, it comes from the word period. Okay, there's different periods, and you can see how every period starts, and the indicator starts to analyze the market and put out these grid lines, these important lines, and the deviations from the line itself, which gives basically its mapping capability. Let's call it a mapping capability. And yeah, it's just amazing how it can really tell you where the market is headed and allow you some guidance on important support and resistance levels. Now, if we add the ICO, just the signals for now, okay, just the signals, you'll see how you can actually benefit from the two worlds. Truly amazing that at these important support levels over here on these grid lines, we get these bullish stress levels from the ICOT intraday indicator, and at, of course, these deviation lines over here, we get these sell signals as well. Mind you, if we were to add the RSI Hunter, which if you go back and check your emails, I talked about this tool as well. It's just mind-blowing, guys, mind-blowing what this indicator or these indicators together represent. Truly hedge fund level tools that you can get. So stay tuned to the end of this video because, of course, I'll reveal the amazing price for this tool as well. Now, one thing I would do for the Periodis Pro, it has its capabilities to signal, but I am going to take that down for now because we, of course, are very, very happy with the ICOT intraday indicator. So if you just look at this chart, like you zoom in over here, it's just mind-blowing, really. Like I can't imagine anything better in this relationship. Truly an amazing tool set. This is the NASDAQ Mini on a 30-second, really hardcore day trading time frame over here, but works extremely well. If you want to look at a longer time frame, I'm going to show you the Euro US dollar currency pair. This is a 15-minute time frame. Once again, amazing how this tool really guides you. I would say, I think the word to use is map. Okay, it's like it gives you a map on where the market is headed, and every period a new map starts. Okay, so it really gives you that benefit of some guidelines truly. And of course, if you combine this with the ICOT intraday indicator, you get something quite unique. And of course, this is also amazing with the RSI Hunter, that I would consider to be a filtering tool for everything, really, if you're using it as with the ICOT intraday indicator. So for instance, here you get a stripe signal right where we have this stress level at the RSI Hunter, really showing you that extreme in the market. And then basically all you need to do is just follow the market, and these lines are there, and you can see how well the market bounces off of these deviation lines. It's truly amazing, guys. I can't believe that they've managed to do this. This is another market, gold, 15 minutes once again. Amazing, guys. This is truly another level. If we move on to silver, a 1 hour chart over here on silver. Okay, once again, RSI Hunter catching this top with the support of the stripe signal, and then you can see, where does the market go? Well, there you go. The Periodis Pro grid lines will help you find those levels. Different market stocks, Tesla 5-minute chart over here. Once again, amazing how it finds those levels. Look at that. Truly unique. And last but not least, let's look at a 30-second chart on Ethereum, just so we see something live over here. Yeah, it's just amazing. And again, in combination with the RSI Hunter, the grid lines in every period, they start and they help you and they guide you through the market. Look at that. Look at that beautiful red line over there. Okay, and that's by the way, that's a weekly. And of course, the architect will explain this in a bit more detail than I can. I'm not the designer of this indicator, but just simple user and somebody finding value. Look at that, guys. RSI Hunter, top over there, bottom over here, top over there, and in between, all the levels from Periodis Pro. Truly amazing, guys. This is one of a kind indicator. Now, what's really the best is the price. So as with every service, usually there's a monthly, there's a yearly subscription. They actually have a VIP all-time package for $4,750. It includes 1 hour personal consultation with the architect of the system, okay? Setup guidance, trading strategy session, the Algorion, the RSI Hunter, the indicator that I just showed you, okay? That's also included in the price. But if you buy this through us, COTBASE.com, you pay a 1 year price, $3,750. You get the VIP package all time. Okay, one time, lifetime access, no recurring payments, and it's yours. Okay, so this was the part 1 of video series. Of course, I'm sure you're going to have a bunch of questions. So did I when I first started using it. But I mean, guys, this indicator is just absolutely from a different world. Really amazing how it catches these levels. Anybody who's serious about trading should definitely consider buying this indicator. And of course, I'm sending this to you, COTBASE members, those who are using the ICOT intraday indicator, because the two worlds supplement each other like yin and yang, really. It's just the two are just together. Once again, this indicator, Periodis Pro, self-constructing lines, okay? The market dictates. It's a revolutionary idea, okay? There's no parameters. It's the market tells the indicator how to draw the lines, okay? Based on the data it provides. Guys, wonderful tool. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm sure you're going to have 100 million questions. Please feel free to send us an email, and we're going to try our very best to answer any questions you may have. Thank you for your attention. Take care. Goodbye.